morning, students. In our last class, we have learned the animal form unit 5. We have completed the lesson. I hope you all understood the lesson. Today, we will learn and discuss some question and answers based on this lesson. Animal form written by George Orwell. Some question and answers are there. First question, who is the most evolved creature on the earth? Who is the most evolved creature on the earth? The answer is man is the most evolved creature on the earth. What does the accomplishment of man reveal? The man accomplishments reveal that these are based on his exploitation of animals. Next, third question. Who is referred as the major in the animal form? ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Who is referred as the major in the animal form? A pig is referred as the major in the animal form. Next, fourth question. A tame raven slept on a perch dash. There are three options are given here. The tame raven slept on a perch dash the back door. Three answers are there: behind, in the middle, in front of. The answer is behind. The tame raven slept on a perch behind the back door. Next, fifth question. Who are referred as comrades by the major? The fellow animals referred as comrades. Next, sixth question. The life of an animal according to the major is. Three options are there: pleasure and joy. Second one, misery and slavery. Third one, eating and sleeping. The life of an animals according to the major is misery and slavery. Next, what is the plain truth according to the major? The answer is no animals in England known the meaning of happiness or leisure after he is a year old. No animals in England is free, and the life of an animal is misery and slavery. This is all the plain truth. Eighth question. How is the soil and climate in England? The soil of England is fertile and its climate is good. Ninth question. According to the major, the whole of the produce of animals' labor is stolen from by other animals. Three options are given here: other animals, by human beings, by cruel animals. Here the answer is human beings. 10th one. Has do hunger and overwork can be abolished? According to the major, if man from the scene of animals is removed, a solution can be obtained or solved. 11th question. Dash is the only creature that consumes without producing. Three options are there: man, wild boar, lion? The answer is man. Man is the only creature that consumes without producing. 12th one. How old was the major? He means the major. A pig was 12 years old. 13th question. The major had dash children. Three options are there. First one 40, second one 4, third one 400. The major had 400 children. Who will sell the boxers? Jones will sell the boxers. The major pleads for dash. Pleads means make an emotional appeal or argue for a position. The major pleads for dash. Three options are given here: protection of men, helping men, getting rid of men. The major pleads for getting rid of men. Next, 16th question. The message given by the major is dash. Protection, first answer protection, consumption, rebellion. The correct answer is rebellion. The message given by the major is rebellion. 17th question. According to the major, all men are dash and all enemies are dash. According to the major, all men are enemies and all animals are comrades. Comrades means friends. Next, some more questions are there. Comprehension questions. These all question answers are 2-3 marks questions. Comprehension questions and answers. What is the name of pig in the story? It is called as Major. Do you agree with what the pig in the story is saying? Certainly we do agree with the pig. Can you list some of the atrocities done to the animals? Man has made the life of animals miserable, laborious and short. Some points are given here. Man has given less food for animals. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಶೋಷಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶೋಚನೀಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಲೌಟರ್ಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. No animal is free. Hunger and overwork are seen in case of animals. Man consumes without producing, extracting milk, selling eggs for money. Boxer is sold to the knocker. They will cut the throat. Dogs will be drowned. Next question. Do you think animals can rebel against the injustice done to them? No, they cannot rebel against the injustice. Next, 5th question. If the animal rebel, what will happen to the human beings? If the animals rebel, the human being's life would become miserable and he would become a slave. Next, 6th question. Do you think the wild animals are also terrorized by human beings? If so, how? The wild animals are also terrorized by human beings. He tamed them and puts them in the cage. They are fed less and made to listen to the words of human beings. They are kept in the zoo and circus companies. Next, seventh question. In the passage, the forum is called animal forum. What other kinds of forum are there? Answer is there are other forums known as agricultural forums, dairy forums, medicinal plant forums, and poultry forums. Eighth question. Make a list of fur and leather items you use. Can you make do without them? List of leather and fur items are bags, small purses, belts, slippers, drums, soft pouches, and other things. We can certainly live without them. Ninth question. Which animals are used as guinea pigs in some scientific experiments? Rabbits, chimpanzees, monkeys, buffaloes, mice, and rodents. Next, tenth one. Do you think this practice should be banned? What could be the alternative? This practice can be banned easily because we do not have any alternative sources. Actually, we need to find an extra thing to save mammals. Next, 11th one. Why have some of the species of animals gone extinct? Because man kills them in the name of hunting. Man uses them for his various purposes, domestic goods, so they are endangered. 12th one. Name the animals that the humans have tamed. Man has tamed almost all the animals. He has tamed lion, tiger, elephant, and leopards, etc. Do you have a pet? Is your pet really happy being tamed? Or do you think he would like to be free? The answer is I have a pet. I keep the panther in a cage. At times I feel sad because its freedom is curtailed. Next, I feel the parrot should be free so that it can enjoy the freedom. 14th one. If the animals start talking like in the story, what do you think will happen? At least man would understand the sad plight of the animals. Man will learn a lesson that if animals do not cooperate, his life would be miserable and unhappy. If the animals start talking like this, the tyranny of man is at least reduced. Human beings understand the importance of animals. Next question. What do you think would be the views of the animals about the humans? According to this lesson or according to this article, animals think man is their enemy because man has made the life of the animals miserable and have become slaves. They think that man is the only creature that consumes without producing. But if we love animals, they would be friendly and they also love humanity. Today we see some animals helping the people a lot. Do you think humans have qualities of animals? Which are they? The evolution of man is from the monkeys. So we find the question of animals in human beings. Men also work in hard like the donkey is working hard. Man guards his wealth like the dog, watching the owner's house. Man deceives somebody like the fox. He pounces on the weak like the leopard, tiger, and lion pounce on deer, buffalo, and other small animals. 17th question. Do you think that the men alone are responsible for all the cruelty and not women? Answer is all are responsible because all exploit animals for their needs and they make the life of the animals a burden. All these are about the question and answers. Thank you.